Hello, we have another English lesson for you today. In today's video, we will teach you about paraphrasing and checking your understanding in English. Paraphrasing means repeating another person's idea, but using your own words. You can use paraphrasing to check your understanding, or to make someone's idea more clear, or to summarize what another person says. First, we will show you some examples of paraphrasing, and then we will review some of the key phrases. Please enjoy. Why do you like natto so much, Matt?
Because natto is a superfood. It has a low calorie content,
and it is rich in branched chain fatty acids. Natto is 55% water, 18% protein, 11% fats, 5% fiber, and 5% sugars, and it is a source of calcium, magnesium, protein, potassium, vitamins B6, B2, and E. One serving of natto provides 29% of the daily value of vitamin K, 22% of vitamin C, 76% for manganese, 48% for iron, and 22% for dietary fiber. Natto has the same benefits as other soy products, such as miso,
without the drawbacks such as high sodium levels.
I think he's trying to say that natto is good for you, right?
Exactly.
Okay, but it still tastes terrible.
Rose, sometimes we need to do things we don't want to do.
Do you mean that I have to eat natto even though I don't like it?
I don't think you have to eat natto. After all, there are many other healthy foods. If someone gave you $1 million, what would you do with the money?
Oh, there are so many things I'd like to buy. A new smartphone, a new gaming PC, a new TV, a new Nintendo Switch. So many things.
In other words, you would spend it all on technology.
Pretty much. What about you, Rose?
I still can't decide. It is a lot of money after all. Do you have any ideas, Maya?
I don't think I would buy things. I would rather spend it on experiences. There are many places to visit. For example, India, Germany, Russia, Italy.
So you're saying that you would use the money to travel?
I think it's the best choice.
Do you mean? We used this phrase in the natto discussion. This question can be used to check your understanding. If you think you understand, but you are not sure, this question is useful.
I think he's trying to say, we used this phrase in the natto discussion. This phrase is used only in a group conversation. If one person says something and the other people did not understand, you can use this phrase to help them understand the speaker.
Right? We used this phrase in the natto discussion. Saying right with a questioning tone can be used in any situation. After explaining your idea or paraphrasing another person's idea, you can say right to ask the other people to respond.
In other words, we used this phrase in the $1 million discussion. This is a basic phrase that you can use before paraphrasing your own idea or another person's idea.
So you're saying we used this phrase in the $1 million discussion. This is another way to check your understanding. It is similar to do you mean? But so you're saying is not a question. So you're saying is often used with right. We hope that you enjoyed today's video on paraphrasing and checking understanding. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. See you next time.